Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset on the BlackBerry Passport and remove the password. Here I have a BlackBerry Passport and let me show you how to perform a hard reset on this device and how to remove the password. If you want to unlock the screen, you have to input a password. Let me show you how to bypass this and perform a hard reset. Just type in random passwords about 10 times. The first warning appears. You have entered an incorrect password 5 times. After 10 unsuccessful attempts, your device data will be erased. That's what we need. We want to perform a hard reset and bypass the password. Tap OK and keep inputting incorrect passwords. You have to enter the word BlackBerry now. Let me correct it and type it in. Keep inputting incorrect passwords a few more times. The data on your device will be erased on the next fail attempt. Tap OK. You have to enter BlackBerry one more time. Now input the incorrect password one last time. Just wait a few seconds. The device is performing the hard reset operation. The phone is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings, including the password. After the operation, you can activate your phone as new and use it without a password. Just wait until the whole operation is completed. When the phone switches off, hold down the power key to turn it back on. It may take a little longer than usual, so wait until the phone is ready. As you can see, the welcome panel appears and there is no password. You can easily activate your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up under the video.